folks, this is my Springfield Echelon. I have the HoloSun SCS 320 on it with the Powder River trigger. I'm honestly not a big fan of the trigger. The trigger shoe's nice, but with the trigger spring that Patriot CNC includes, the reset is just I don't know how it's very short, yes, which is nice, but like I constantly get a dead trigger where I'm not, I don't, because the reset is so short, I'm not sure how I'm not letting it go far enough, but I constantly get a dead trigger. And to solve that problem, I just went ahead and put the OEM trigger spring on it, and for the most part I don't have any problems with it anymore. It does break a little heavier at about 3.5 pounds instead of 3, but it's fine by me. And also the Springer Precision Magwell, which has been helping out a lot on those reloads for sure. Right now running the Springer Precision Guide Rod with the 14-pound recoil spring from them, and that's been working just fine. And here we are with the Patriot CNC Compensator. Very, very nice, sleek design. Kind of stands out on its own, but also blends in very nicely with the whole of the Echelons. Very nice sized large port, and then the 2 decent sized side ports as well. And this is a thread on with set screws on either side. And then you can see their nice logo right here on the taper. So definitely a very nice looking compensator, very well machined. All of the there's no machine marks or anything. It's very smooth. The anodizing is great on it. It's just a very, very, very good looking compensator. So we'll go ahead and check and make sure it's clear, and do an install here on it real quick. All the way down, and I like to check to see how far these threads are, and they are all the way down. So take this one more turn back, and as you can see, it is nice and flush on the slide, no room for error, and the barrel is in full battery. So go ahead and tighten down these thread screws. Now for testing purposes, since I have a couple of different things to test, I did not Loctite this, but I would suggest doing a blue Loctite for your application, unless you plan on changing this a lot or taking it off a lot. And definitely, if it's going to be your everyday carry like this, then I would definitely Loctite the set screws, and probably the barrel as well. And if you ever do need to take it off, you can heat it up with like a type of butane torch or something like that, and heat through the barrel, and that will melt that. It'll melt the blue Loctite and allow it to be taken off. All right, and there you have it. Very, very, very nice looking, very slick. Like I said, it's got like its own design that stands out, but it also still kind of runs with the lines of the Echelon. So it definitely is a very nice looking piece, and it's supposed to run great with 115 with the OEM recoil spring. It's only 1.175 inches from the face of the slide, and it is the shortest on the market right now. It extends 0.675 inches past a Streamlight TLR1 and extends 0.250 past a Surefire X300. It is, like I said, the single port with the 2 side ports, and it's designed to flow nicely with the OEM slide design. And it is a Type 3 hard coat anodized black, and this does come with all of the necessary hardware that you will need for it. But yeah, as you can see, very, very nice, sleek design. And so,
by the way,
go ahead and
the Echelon with the Patriot CNC Compensator and the nightstick tack light on it. The nightstick is almost about the same size as the TLR1 Streamlight, so I just wanted to give everybody a chance to see how that looks. This is extended over it by not even barely a half an inch or so.
We'll go ahead and check out the range footage. So enjoy. Alrighty, folks, here we are at the range, getting ready to take the Springfield Echelon with the Patriot CNC Compensator out for a drive. Tell you what, looks super sleek. Very nice design. The anodizing is very nice. It's almost like a matte, shiny, like a metallic, almost like a chrome. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, chrome black. But we're gonna go ahead and run some drills and see what kind of performance we are getting out of this. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go check it out. So catch you there. Alrighty, so today I got this Fiochi 115 grain for a deal, 220 bucks for 1,000 of them at Buy Mart here in Oregon. So that's what that's what I'm going to be running today, just because I don't have a variety. But I will update that and run some different ammo through this compensator. Don't mind that. All right, so that was a 1.56, and I gotta show you all that hit real quick.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Starting off pretty decent. Because those are some of my favorite. Some of my favorite. I like to rape, pillage, plunder, and rape. He said rape twice. That's because it's my favorite. Oh, the life of a pirate is the life for me. Hurry. I do not like this Powder River trigger. Don't like it at all. That was a dead fucking trigger. And then it reset. And fucking fired. Ugh. God, I fucking hate this trigger. About to fucking put my old one back on. God, it's fucking retarded. Damn. So definitely, already I can tell that the Patriot CNC offering is definitely outperforming the Springer Precision model. And you know, they definitely have two very different designs. Like the top port on the Springer is uh, not as wide, but it's longer. So it might even almost be like the same amount of hole, like the same area space. But as far as the actual baffle space and everything in there, yeah, I do believe the Patriots has more. And Patriots side ports are bigger, much bigger, about twice the size, a little more than twice the size. And overall, Patriots is just a nicer, cleaner design looking. Just looks more well thought out, I think. And it just seems to be a little nicer. It's definitely performing a little better, I think. But I'll be reviewing the footage then and having another go with the Springer anyway. So how about a bill drill? How about not? I hate this trigger. Fucking Powder River trigger sucks. Show some of the hits so far today. I am pretty on today. Pretty on today. Pretty flat too. Hate this fucking trigger. I hate this trigger. God damn, I fucking hate this trigger. It's got the worst reset ever. Oh yeah. Fuck. .78. Was only 6 shots, I know, but good hits though. Good hits. You want to check them out? Yeah? Okay, let's check them out.
about a bill drill? Bill drill it is. Decent bill drill.
It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little all over the place, but you know, this is decent. Alright, how about that comes back? Definitely better. 8.3 seconds. Meh. Better. Much better. So. Bill drill. Damn quick. And go check those hits. Now that is what I'm talking about for a bill drill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These were that the last El Presidente. But that is how bill drill should be. .2 seconds, that's damn good. Let's go check those hits. And yeah, we got good hits on that. We had one up here, the one flyer on there, and that was the other one. And then, yep, those are all good hits. President. .64 seconds. That. Oh, I was bad on that last shot. I fucking jumped. I jumped.
target, man. Oh my God, you're bleeding. Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry, buddy. Just breathe. Just breathe. Just relax. Hold on. Just relax. We're gonna make it all better, man. Yep. We're gonna make the boo-boos better, Mr. Target Man. Oh, buddy, yeah. Oh, we're making it all better, Mr. Target Man. How's that feel? Oh, you can feel your legs again? You know what that's called? Circulation. Yeah, buddy. Oh, look at that. All better, Mr. Target Man. I'll see you later. Try not to get shot anymore.
So, final thoughts on the Patriot CNC Compensator for the Springfield Echelon. Tell you what, the thing performed flawlessly. I only had several failure to feeds, and that was with 147 grain of almond, and they have like a flat top bullet. No, I'm sorry, it wasn't a failure to feed, failure to eject, and it may even have been part of my gun or something. But it was only a couple out of 1,000 rounds that I personally put through the compensator, and it ran flawlessly. It was great. It mitigated recoil by at least 30%, not a little more, and it definitely outperformed the Springer Precision Shorty compensator and Patriot CNC offering is $10 cheaper for $74.99. I will put a link down in the description to get to their website. They also have mag welds and mag extensions. They also offer fork jobs and slide milling packages for the Echelon. Another gun. But yeah, it ate every ammo that I put through it. 115 grain, 124 grain, 147 grain. I threw plus P at it, and it loved all of it. And it really did well with 115 grain too. Just regular range ammo. And I tried it with various recoil spring weights and guide rods. I did the Springer Precision guide rod with the 14-pound round wire spring. I did the stock OEM guide rod with the OEM spring, which I believe is 16 pounds, and it ran great, ate everything up just like that too, no problems. And I also did the Apex Tactical guide rod with a 14, and I even tried the 18-pound recoil spring, and it ran with the 18-pound recoil spring too. In fact, the felt recoil in the hands was a little lighter with that spring, because it takes a little more energy to get the slide back fast. So the slide is traveling a bit slower that way. But yeah, as far as the recoil mitigation, it was amazing. It was awesome. It was doing just what a good compensator should do. The design is great. The ergonomics and looks of it are great. And I give it a thumbs up and an A plus for the first run of compensators for the Springfield Echelon, which is an amazing pistol. I don't care what anybody says. I mean, there's nothing really you can say about it. It is a great gun. It runs. It zero. Like I've put 3,000 rounds through mine so far, and I've only had a handful of malfunctions, and that's usually because I'm playing around with recoil springs and compensators. So, but like I said, there'll be a link in the bio or in the description if you guys want to visit Patriot CNC. And shout out to Rob for helping me out and sending me this compensator to test the trial for another project of mine, which is confidential to YouTube. But yeah, thanks, Rob. I appreciate it. But this is my honest opinion. I'm not biased in any way. Being sent a compensator at all. And I hope this helps people in some of the decisions when trying to buy a compensator for the Springfield Echelon. So I hope you all have a good night. Mission accomplished. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much.